Okay, so unfortunately, I'm still quite sick, so I'm only tackling the smaller projects right now, which will limit my video uploads for a bit. Today's project also was a little bit delayed by an unfortunate issue I had to take care of with my truck today.
Yeah, we're getting there. That looks pretty healthy. Oh, yeah. That's always nice. Well, at least it wasn't low on water. Yeah, wonderful. Well, all apart, ready to go back together at least.
All right, just got this in. This is a replacement for the existing spin down filter. It's 50 micron. I've applied the fittings to it with a liberal amount of Teflon tape on either side to get it connected. And this is going to replace the existing one. You can see there's a significant size difference there. And hopefully there's a significant quality difference as well. This system is working right now. For a while I was still getting some air in through this guy. Not sure why it all of a sudden stopped doing that, and now everything's good. But I still have a little bit of a leak. I originally thought that I had gotten this one to stop leaking. I think you can see a little drop under there. Yeah. But then this one I thought was going to be the problem. This one actually has stopped leaking, so I still got to take this one apart. I've purchased a new fitting for it, so I'll be putting that on. But I don't know if they'll do that as part of today's project or not. But today's project will be replacing this guy with this guy. And the other nice thing about the new spin down filter is that it comes with this nifty bracket. So I'll put the bracket in as well, and that'll neaten things up a little bit. And it comes with a little tool and replacement O-ring, so it seems like it's pretty good quality. This is iSpring. I got it off of eBay, so I'll put a link in the description. Okay, so the new filter on its new bracket, slightly lopsided because of the slight angle I had to go with for the bottom flush port there. So it hasn't been filled with water yet, so I'm going to try that for the first time now and see if we can get prime on this thing and get it to go. So let me turn on the valve. I think I'm going to go with just turning on the outdoor cistern because I'm optimistic. That's probably a mistake. And let's go ahead, turn on the pump. And then open the valve for the waterfall. And then open the valve to the pressure side of the system and see what happens. Do a little bit of a burp here. There we go. There's some water coming in. All right, so that's working. Remains to be seen if I've got any kind of an issue letting air in there. So let me make sure that, let's close the pressure off, close the waterfall valve. Yeah, so with any luck, this is now a complete system. So I've got the new spin down filter from iSpring installed. I'm not sure if I trust this little valve at the bottom, but we'll see how that goes. There's no pressure here because this is before the pump. So the only thing I'd be concerned about is if it could let air in, if it's not a good seal there, but we'll see. And it looks like a pretty good quality device here. It's got the bracket that comes with it. Comes with the little tool to grab the the filter body and turn it to get it off and replace the filter or clean it. And does seem to be working. So hopefully that's it on the water and we're completely done here. I did not, however, attack my little leak here. We can see still a bit of a drip coming out of there, but I do have the fitting. So that's next. So that, and then of course, to put the hole in above the UV chamber so that I can get the bulb out and replace it without having to disassemble stuff. So this is it. We're done. That's the state of the water system, and it's hopefully going to be good.